doing well. So today is my spring cleaning session. I'm so excited. Every single year I love to go through my stuff, do a bit of a cleanse, and I just think it's really refreshing because, you know, sometimes you just don't realize how much stuff you actually have. And so that's why it's always good to just refresh and regroup, and then it gives you options to either donate, to either give it to friends and family, or to even sell it so you can have more money to, you know, use it on other things, spend it on other clothes, or even save up for anything that you want to save up for. So it's always beneficial to look inside your closet, look inside your makeup things. So today, together, we are going to look inside my closet. We're going to rummage through, see what I want to keep, see what I want to donate. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is because I am moving in 1 month. And so I want to have not like a big move where I'm just moving useless things that I'm not even going to wear. So that's why I'm doing this today. And so I'm really excited to show you things in my closet, my, you know, thought process on things I want to keep and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's start with the video. Now in my apartment I have a closet right here, and I also have 4 drawers under my bed. I have like an IKEA bed set that allows me to have 4 drawers. So I'm going to start with my closet. I'm telling you right now, a lot of things in my closet are things that like are valuable to me and that maybe I want to keep more than things in my drawers. It's just like a mental thing for me. Like things that are hung up are like more valuable and important. Like I won't put like my expensive things in the drawers, basically is what I'm saying. So excuse like all like the bags and the luggage. I travel a lot, so I have like all my luggage here close to my clothes. And so that is why it looks like a mess. So I think I'm just gonna go one by one. This here is a dress from Vero Moda. It's like kind of like a suede brown dress. So I think this I'm gonna put in the maybe pile. It has kind of like a choker style. I've worn it a couple of times last summer. I really enjoy the style, but I don't know if I'm going to wear it again. So I'm just gonna put this in the maybe pile. It has 2 front little pockets. It's really cute. So I'm definitely gonna, like, if I don't take it, I'm either gonna donate it or give it to my sister because I think she would look really cute in this. So yeah. Next thing, I will keep this. I bought this last summer. It is just like a long duster sleeveless vest. It is from Simons. So I just really like this fabric. It was on sale. It's super luxurious and thick, and it just looks really nice and put together with a lot of things. Another duster that I just got. This is from the brand that I currently sell, and I just got this, so I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. It's a little bit different, but I really do like the colors, and I think it would look really cute in the summer. Actually, that's not true. I did wear it, and I'll put a picture right here. I wore it on Easter. So yeah, I totally forgot about that. I did wear this. This you might recognize. This is my blazer that I got at the thrift store. So if you guys want to see the video on this, I will link it right here so you guys can go check it out. I really do like this. I love checkered. Now this is a special situation. I wore this at a wedding. I feel like this is so important. Like, you know, you have like dresses and you're like, am I really gonna wear them again? You always say like, oh, you can always shorten it and it'll look cute, but I really do like this dress and it's really special to me, so I want to keep it and I want to wear it on another occasion because it is like so versatile, so nice, so I'm gonna keep it. Another dress, okay, this is like the main event of my whole closet right now. This dress right here I am so excited. You're getting a sneak peek because this, for real, I have never worn this before. I got this at a sample sale. This is the brand For Love and Lemons. If you don't know what For Love and Lemons is, I suggest you go look at their things. It is gorgeous. I haven't worn it yet, but I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. I just think it's really timeless and beautiful. They were asking me like, when are you gonna wear this? I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna wear this everywhere, you know, like I can wear this at dinner, at a cocktail party, if ever I get invited to a cocktail party. But this is like my favorite thing in my closet right now, and it still has the tags on it, but I got a really good price on it because it was on a sample sale. Those are the perks for working in fashion. You get to know all the sample sales, and you get to have really beautiful pieces for very low prices. This Zara dress, if you follow me on Instagram or on my personal Instagram, I've worn this dress to death. I have it in a couple of pictures. I'll try and find them and put them up. I don't know. Am I gonna wear this again? I just like this so much. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it. Oh my gosh. Another one of my favorite Zara dresses. This I've worn also to death. Oh my gosh, I love this dress so much. It has little side openings on the sleeves. Oh, I just love this dress. Okay, so I think the next thing on my list would be just a regular, nice, crisp white button-up. This button-up, as you can see, is quite intricate, extreme. This is also from Zara. Just need a more tailored, sort of nice button-up, I feel. So this I shall keep because I think with shorts or with like a little skirt, like a pencil skirt, would look really cute. I've only worn it with, you know, jeans and pants to make it a little more casual, but I do like this a lot, so I shall keep. You can never go wrong with a white blazer. I think white blazers are a very nice way to elevate your look, to look really classy and cute. And this white blazer is my favorite because it has little pleats in the back, so it, you know, kind of accentuates your figure. Red blazer, love. Dress right here is from Boohoo. I wore it at New Year's, and I think the color looks really great, and the quality is actually very surprising considering the price I paid for it, and I love it, so I shall keep this right here. Just a nice, simple khaki military jacket. This is actually from Old Navy. I remember buying it when I was in high school, and I've never gotten rid of it because I always find ways to wear it again, so. Hey guys, what is up? Just me in my dark room. It's starting to get a little bit late, but I was just editing this video that you are seeing right here, and I've, you know, realized that I had so many clips, and if I would have put everything, it would be so long and you'd be like, Bianca, stop talking, you're so boring. So I'm putting the best things, and if you want to see a part 2, let me know. If you like seeing like those organizational things, I could put a part 2, no problem. But for now, just enjoy the outro, and I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed seeing my spring cleaning video. I like to do these videos every once in a while, so if you like them and you want me to do more, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!